Have you ever felt like, no matter how kind you are, people just don't treat you right? Like your friends take you for granted, your boss never appreciates you, or life itself just doesn't seem fair? Well, there's a backstory to that feeling, and once you understand it, everything changes. A long time ago, there was a man who felt exactly the same. He walked up to his master one morning and said, "Master, my employees, my wife, my children, everyone around me is selfish. No one is right. What should I do?" The master didn't answer immediately. He simply smiled and said, "Come with me. I'll show you something." They walked for hours until they reached an old temple in the middle of a quiet village. Inside, there was a mysterious room made entirely of mirrors. Every wall, every corner, every inch reflected back what stood before it. The master opened the door and asked a little girl playing nearby to step in first. The girl entered curious, innocent, full of laughter. The moment she smiled, 1,000 little faces smiled back. She giggled, and the entire room giggled with her. When she clapped, 1,000 claps echoed like music. She came running out and said, "Master, this is the happiest room in the world. Everyone in there loves me." Then, the master looked at the man and said, "Now you go." The man hesitated, but stepped inside. He frowned, and instantly 1,000 angry faces frowned back. He raised his hand, and 1,000 hands raised against him. He shouted, and the echoes grew louder, colder, crueler. He came running out, terrified. "Master, that room is horrible. Everyone in there hates me." The master smiled gently. "My dear," he said, "that room had no one inside it, only your reflection." My friend's life is just like that. The world shows you what you show it. And that's the truth we often forget. When you think the world is against you, maybe it's just mirroring your own doubt. When you believe no one understands you, maybe you've stopped trying to understand others. The energy you send out always finds its way back to you. So next time you wake up, don't ask, "What will today bring me?" Ask instead, "What energy will I bring to today?" That's how achievers think. That's how learners grow. That's how you change your world, one reflection at a time. If you like this story, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe.